What is up, fishing friends? Today we are walking over. It is Halloween, by the way. Well, the night before Halloween. I've got some blue moons and also a little something, and I plan to spend the night. But as for now, cheers. Again, it is October 30th and we are going to fish into the morning. Happy Halloween. All right. Yeah, looks great. Here we are, guys. So we're just casting this little spoon, and occasionally I'll let it flutter in the current, and once it slowly falls, I feel little, what to me feels like bites, but they're little vibrations because the school of shad are swimming through the spoon, and then I simply jerk up and there you go. So now we're gonna cut this up and get some catfish out of it. And then that is what we're looking at there, boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of cut shad ready to go on the hook. Snag the shad. We're here. There we are, guys. Feels like a kitty cat. That's awesome. Yeah, it is. Just gonna try to lift them up. Oh. Alright, it. Yes. Here we are. Start of our evening. Just using a shad head. Beautiful start. I have not been here more than 15 minutes, guys. Great start to the evening. Going in for the release. Yes! That's another. Ooh. Oh man. I think he's coming towards me. He had me. My reel handle is coming loose. I'm trying to tighten it real quick. Here he comes. Yeah, this. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Woo. There we are. Numero dos. Hallows Eve. Night before Halloween. We were out here catching catfish. Ooh. It's nearing 9:30. Gonna go in for the release. Another beautiful Chicago River channel cat. These fish are getting bigger and bigger, if you ask me. It seems the fresher the bait, the better the fish. Going in for the release. This one's got some muscle to him. Oh yeah. Oh, he came off. It's officially Halloween. So happy Halloween. Hopefully we catch some monsters. We're gonna stay tuned. We're at their North Shore channel. We're using cut shad for bait. In the morning we're gonna go for bass and crappie. It is 12:33. Let's go. I'm using 50-pound Power Pro on this rod. That's why I'm just lifting them up. But these are easily 4 or 5 pound channel cats. Easily. Nice and fresh. Beautiful fish. In for the release. Number 4, I think. I'm pretty sure it's number 4. Woo. So guys, this is the catch of the day. It's 1:54 in the morning, and I caught this rock. I mean, there's a little slit in that rock, and there's no other way I could have caught it. This is insane. 1:52 in the morning right now. Yeah. It's all good because we're catching the kitty cats. with their natural bait. We're using cut shad today, so that's awesome. This is one of our smallest ones today. It's about 5 a.m. Still catching kitty cats. They're keeping it interesting. Have not fished for anything else yet. Have just been catching catfish. Got here about 9:30 p.m. It's about 5 a.m. Let's keep it going. Going in for the release. As you can see, guys, the sun is starting to rise up here. We're getting some daylight, which is awesome. Solo overnighter successful. It's actually very chill. Felt quite comfortable. We caught several catfish. I am now going to start casting for bass and perhaps some crappie, and hopefully we can get some of those before we get out of here. There we are. Little crappie jig. Little crappie. That was the first cast on that crappie jig. Awesome. Going in for the release. Just mimicking a bait fish. We used cut actual shad for the catfish. And now we're using a fake little minnow that's supposed to resemble bait fish for the crappie. So for the bass, we're going to go with this spinnerbait. It's supposed to resemble the shad. That's a fish. Oh yeah. That's a good one too. Ooh. Wow. That is a beautiful Chicago River largemouth. We just did it. We just did it. So we wanted a crappie, we got the crappie. We wanted a bass and we just caught the bass. I showed you why I threw the spinnerbait, trying to mimic exactly what this guy is foraging. And oh, what a strong fish. Look at the size. I mean, look at the size of that Chicago River largemouth, guys. What a chunky fish. Wow. Happy Halloween, boys and girls. Get out there and catch yourself a giant. Have a beautiful day. Oh, that was a nice bite. Another nice fish too. I don't know if you could see that, but he got the trailer hook and the actual hook there. So gotta be careful so we don't get that hook on his gill there. I don't know how you guys feel about trailer hooks. It's my first time, so I'm sliding it out there for him. But I don't know, guys. Beautiful, another beautiful Chicago River bass. Not sure how I feel about those trailer hooks. I think he agrees. It's Halloween and we're out here catching monsters. shad is the ticket. Started the night with the gizzard shad as cut bait, switched to the little minnow, which mimics a smaller bait fish, smaller shad, called the crappie, and now we're using this to catch the bass. All right, adept anglers, that's gonna do it for us today. My first solo overnighter. We were able to get a bunch of catfish, we were able to get some bass, and we were able to get a crappie. I showed you how we caught every single one of them. It was a fun night. Again, my first solo overnighter. It was not as spooky as you may have thought. Happy Halloween. I will see you guys next Friday with another Adept Angling exclusive. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. Happy Halloween. Please subscribe. Peace.